एवरीबॉडी, आप सबका स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट आहाना कुमरा एंड दिस इज माय शो सोलो फीमेल ट्रैवलर। She's teaching me right now. Okay, great. Oh, wow.
I think I can live here. I totally can. Eat this all my life. Be in the mountains. That's it. Majani life.
Oh, this is delicious. Today I'm at a very special destination. This destination actually has a special place in my heart because it's known for its lush greenery, beautiful winding roads, exotic backwaters, spices and tea plantations. You know, मैं जिस स्टेट में आज हूँ उसे हम लोग प्यार से God's own country बुलाते हैं. That's right. We are in Munnar. और इस ट्रिप पे मेरा साथ देने आई है मेरी ट्रैवल कंपेनियन, माय स्पॉटी कार टाटा पंच। यू नो, बिना रुके एक ब्यूटीफुल सीनिक लोकेशन में गाड़ी चलाने का एक अपना ही मजा है। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द हाई ड्राइविंग स्टैंस इन दिस कार, आई एम एबल टू गेट अ गुड व्यू ऑफ द सीनरी फ्रॉम द कैबिन। हम पहुंच गए हैं हमारे टी प्लांटेशन एस्टेट में। लेट मी पार्क द कार नाउ। Parking is so much easier in this thanks to this reverse parking camera. Well, बाहर से तो बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा है ये। Let me see how good I am at plucking leaves at a tea plantation. चलो, let's see. I can't even tell you what I'm experiencing right now. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. Welcome to Lockhart Tea Estate, the oldest tea estate in Munnar. This is actually the first one that came into being in this entire region, making it the oldest one. It came to being in the year 1879. That means independence से भी पहले ये tea estate यहाँ पर आया था. And the first factory that was established here was in the year 1936. इससे पहले ये लोग यहाँ पर सिंकोना ग्रो करते थे, देन कॉफी एंड देन फाइनली टी एंड टी। टी का नाम लेके मुझे एक चीज़ याद आई कि मैं यहाँ पर आई क्यों थी। मैं यहाँ पर टी प्लग करने आई थी। एंड कैन यू सी दोस रियली गॉर्जियस वुमेन वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड इन द फील्ड? आई एम गोइंग टू गो राइट देयर एंड प्लग सम टी विद देम। हेलो लेडीज! अरे वाह, यू आर गोइंग टू शो मी हाउ टू प्लग टी? She's going to show me how to pluck tea. I'm very excited to learn this. And then I'm going to take this tea back to Bombay. बाप रे, ये यंत्र देखिए, amazing. Okay, I'm going to try to do that. Okay, ready, steady, go. Ah! Oh wow, this actually plucks some tea. Wow. Okay, I'm going to pluck some more tea. Oh wow. Good, great. Thank you so much. I just did some plucking of some great tea. I hope I can go and make some chai now. We've come to a tea tasting session at the Lockhart Tea Estate factory. यहाँ पर चाय बनती है, which obviously sounds like, you know, for me like this is like La La Land because I love chai. So I'm very excited to go inside and taste some tea. I hope it lives up to my expectation. I'm also very interested in seeing कौन सी type की चाय होती हैं because you know we get so many different teas these days. So let's see what do they have and how do I select which is the perfect tea for me. What is the process of knowing which is the perfect tea for you? My God, so many types of tea. So does it have a flavor of orange?
Actually, this color get orange color.
Oh really? Pico. I'll cover. Oh, this is delicious. Thank you so much. See you soon. Thank you. Bye. देखिए, लॉन्ग ड्राइव से सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ क्या होती है? ऑफ कोर्स कि आपको रोड पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है और अच्छी तरह से चलाना है, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मेरे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ होती है एंटरटेनमेंट। यू नो, great music that keeps you in great spirits. So Tata Punch has a floating touchscreen infotainment by Harman with impressive acoustic quality that keeps you in great spirits because you have great music. थोड़ा volume बढ़ा जाए? And now I have come to a beautiful resort here in Munnar, and it's called the Windermere Estate. For my breakfast, I'm going to head to a restaurant and it's called the Barn. I'm going to quickly show you that.
Okay, so I finally reached the breakfast area, which is the barn, which I was talking about. And how can I come to Kerala and not have a dosha? I'm so excited. I was once corrected. I keep calling it dosa because that's what everybody calls it. But I was told by my friend it's not called dosa, it's called dosha. So that's what it is. This is my incredible dosha, and that's my really yummy looking sambar. I've also ordered some incredible coffee. Jesu is getting me some really nice coffee. Is this your house blend?
Yes.
See? Nice coffee, nice dosa. What else do I want? Thanks, Jesu.
Yeah.
Eat this all my life. Be in the mountains. That's it. Majani life.
All right. After this very eventful and delicious and wholesome morning breakfast at the barn at the Windermere Estate, now I'm on my way to Athirappilly Waterfalls. So I've been driving for the last 3 hours, and my god, this entire route is full of twists and turns. I cannot even start telling you how many twists and turns, plus it's raining today, so it's quite easy to navigate actually from this car because, you know, we have this amazing mode called the multi-drive mode that basically is that it can switch between city mode and eco drive mode, and because it's a long drive, I think I'm going to make my car more fuel efficient, so I'm going to switch to eco mode now.
Economy drive mode activated.
We have finally reached Athirappilly Falls. I'm in full spirits because I'm finally here. So this place shuts down by 5:30 and I finally made it. I think it's what, like 4:30 right now or 5 o'clock. Wait, 4:30? Oh yeah, it's 5 o'clock on my watch, so we really have to make it quick. 50 rupees per ticket, and let's go inside and see what Athirappilly Falls really looks like.
I think I have to show my ticket now to someone here. Oh yeah, this lady. Thank you.
Look at the trees, how tall they are. Really nice and tall trees. And it's apparently a 30-minute trek again. Comfortable thing to wear is actually a really nice pair of shoes because आप यहाँ पर चप्पल में मत आइए. You won't be able to trek much. Although I see a lot of local people wearing a lot of chappals, but I think the best way to walk the entire falls is to wear a comfortable pair of Keds. And we are here. There is the waterfall. Actually, the waterfall is not there. That's the river. The waterfall is like a little ahead of that. So we're going to walk right through there. Come on, let's go. Can you see that? How amazing! हमारे पास सिर्फ 15 minutes है to go and see the waterfalls. This is the way to the full view of the waterfalls. I'm going to take you right there and you're going to see what magic is going to unfold. What did I promise you? That I'm going to take you up close and personal at the foot of the beautiful Athirappilly Falls. और एक और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रिविया, इस जगह पे एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और बहुत ही बड़ी इंडियन फिल्म की शूटिंग हुई थी. एंड आई एम श्योर कि अगर मैं यहाँ पर किसी से भी पूछूं, दे विल बी एबल टू टेल यू व्हिच फिल्म दैट वाज. एनी गेसेस? यस, दैट वाज बाहुबली. और वो आपको याद है वो अमेजिंग शिवलिंग सीक्वेंस जहाँ प्रभास वो शिवलिंग उठाकर आपकी तरफ हीरोइक मूवमेंट करते हैं. या दैट सीक्वेंस वाज शॉट. ऑलराइट, और मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बक कर ली है इस ट्रिप पर. मुझे लगता है कि आई वॉन्ट टू नाउ जस्ट सोक इन दिस ब्यूटिफुल एटमॉस्फेयर एंड लुक एट दीज ब्यूटिफुल waterfalls with silence. So I'm going to tell you how amazing my day has been. We went to the tea plantations in the morning in Munnar, drove 5.5 hours, came back, And now I'm at the Athirappilly Waterfalls. It's been such a tiring day, but you know what? इसको देखकर मेरी थकावट चुटकियों में निकल गई. And you know why that's been? That's because I've had a fantastic companion on this trip, and that has been my Tata Punch. Because that has been such a smooth drive all the way from Munnar to Athirappilly. And I can't wait to go on to my next adventure with my next Tata car in the next location. So I'm going to see you right there. This is On Curly Tails, and I'm your solo female traveler, Aahana Kumra, signing off. See you soon.